Call me elf one more time. You're an elf. Makes my ears ring a little bit. Ow.
Are you okay?
No, I was born with a concussion. Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. In today's video, we're finally going to start making some progress on our off-grid barn. And as you can see, look, solar lights, our first off-grid apparatus here. Tomorrow my brother-in-law is coming and he's going to help me start putting insulation into these walls. And gonna admit, I am not the handiest person in the world, so I'm learning a lot of things. I have put insulation in walls before. Seems pretty simple, but there are some nooks and crannies in this barn that I think it might be a little bit complicated, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. But this does look cool with these lights that come on. Very cool. Anyway, all that I did today, and I did a really bad job of taping it because I didn't record any of it because I was fighting losing daylight. But what I did was, if you could see, I added some foam, stuff's called Loctite gaps and cracks, and I just filled in these seams where the studs meet the LP smart siding stuff, and just in case, to make it really extra airtight, because it's really important to me that this house isn't drafty, because we're only going to be heating it with a wood stove that we're going to be putting right here in this corner. And we want to get that in as soon as possible. And I want to get this livable within the next few months. And it's important to me to get things moving now, because once my farming season starts up again, I'm going to be so busy, and it'll be really helpful over these next few months when things are a little bit slow to get some work done in here. So tomorrow we're going to put some insulation in. I did some sealing with the foam. I don't really like using the foam. Took me a while to get used to it. Some of it's a little ugly, but I don't think it really matters because it's all going to be covered up, and it's just going to create more of an airtight seal. Plus, once the insulation is in these walls between these studs, and then we'll start closing it up. Tomorrow, my goal with my brother-in-law Dave is to get this whole first floor insulated, and yeah, that's my goal for tomorrow. And I bought all the insulation that I need to cover this first floor, so we'll see how that goes, and we'll see you tomorrow. See how we do. I like the part where he burps really loud and he goes, and then he's like, "Did you hear that?" Need more juice. All right, so it's a little dark in here, but and I did a bad job of recording as we did this because just trying to get stuff done. But we got this whole back wall insulated, and this whole side wall all the way along the edge here. These were all the easiest pieces to add the insulation because there are no obstructions really other than the stairs. It was just clean 8-foot cuts of the insulation. What do you think, Matthew? What do you think of all the insulation in the walls? How does it look? Good? Huh? You need a tissue. Let's go get you a tissue. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video on installing most of the insulation. I'm gonna have to probably go and get some more insulation to finish the upstairs. I'm probably gonna do that today. One more thing I wanted to mention before I let you off with this video is I just ordered our first solar panels, and I got some good deals through Harbor Freight. Had a sale, a New Year's Day sale, and Renogy, just through Renogy's website, I got one of their 100-watt solar panels. They were only like $84.99. So we're gonna have 2 100-watt solar panels, and I got a charge controller, I got an inverter, and I got a 200 amp hour battery. And my hope is to put all of those together very soon in a video. And I want to be able to power, we have a small fridge. It's like a mini fridge, but it's like 5.2 cubic feet on the inside. It's actually pretty big for a mini fridge. It kind of feels closer to like an apartment size fridge if you just had the fridge and not like a freezer compartment attached to it. And I want to be able to run that through our solar, and that would be really cool to be able to have a fridge just run off solar, and then we would be in business over here. So that's something that I'm going to be doing, I guess, hopefully in one of the next few videos, depending on how long it takes for all that stuff to get here through shipping. But yeah, things are moving in the right direction. Things are happening. I am very excited, and we're getting closer to make this dream a reality for our family. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel. If you're new here, we just surpassed 1,000 subscribers. That was my goal for the year, and somehow we got there, like right as I don't know if it happened right before or right after the New Year's passed, but it doesn't matter to me. We got there, and I thank all of you for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and there's going to be plenty more awesome content coming up in the new year, so I'm excited to share all that with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.